When you're estimating roots, such as the problems in section 6, you want to make sure that you use your perfect squares sheet, which was the half sheet of paper with all the list of perfect squares and perfect cubes. If you do not have that sheet, feel free to use your calculator and start plugging in values to see what the root is closest to. So notice in number 40, I'm going to be looking at my square root section, my perfect squares, because I want to see what two numbers the square root of 65 is in between. Now, the square root of 65 is going to be between the two perfect squares, the square root of 144 and the square root of 169. When you have this step, what you want to check is you want to see what value the 165 is closer to. Is 165 closer to 144 or 169? Well, since it's only 4 away from the square root of 169, I could say that this root estimated is going to be 13 because the square root of 169 is 13. In number 42 and 43, you're going to be looking at the cubed root chart. Okay, you're going to be looking at the cubed root chart. And the process is the same. What two perfect cubes is 512 between? Well, it's going to be between the cubed root of 343 and the cubed root of 512. Notice how it is closest to the cube root of 512, which simplifies to be 8. And so our cube root simplified or estimated is going to be 8.